3 pairs of trousers, 1 skirt, 1, 2, 3 tops, 3 jackets, 4 jackets, 5 jackets, maybe no, 4 jackets, 4 jackets, but they're all going to be mixed and matched and mixed around. Good afternoon. It's that Crafty Nana again. And I'm coming at you today with some fun outfits. Why not? And also a little continuation of our discussion about hair. I showed you a little hair extension for making your hair a little bit longer. It's just basically 2 clips with a bit of dangle. When you've got really curly hair like this, it's really very, very difficult to make the shiny synthetic hair look natural. But I've worn that today so that you could actually see what it would look like. And what I've done is I backcombed it. Literally just backcombed it so that it roughed it all up and made it look more like my natural hair. Which is so fuzzy and friffy and frothy. And it's very difficult to match up. But a bit of backcombing, you can do it. So I just thought I'd drop that in there. Now, today, I am wearing a star shirt. Beautiful stars all over it. I actually picked this up for my daughter, as I thought it would be really cute on her, but she wasn't so keen. I think she thought it was a bit too silly. But I'm a bit more keen on silly than she is. Well, sometimes. I've put star earrings, and I'd found this, which I think, well, I know, was a rosary chain, and it's missing its cross, but the beads are absolutely beautiful, and I just put matching star to the earrings on the necklace just to carry the star theme through. And I've also got my beautiful vintage blue crystal glass necklace on as well. Turn of the century. Very, very lovely. Don't get beads like this anymore. You really don't. Here's the full length. So I put baggy white pants on. This sheer tunic, which is double layered. So it's got 1 layer up here and then the long layer, and it's just really pretty. I love the colours in it. It's very sheer. I'm having a problem because my trousers won't stay up and I can't undo the knot in the string. I will have to work on that when I'm not wearing them and get it unknotted. Here's the back. Now I know that the tunic is longer than the shirt, but honestly I don't let things like that worry me, which you've probably noticed when you're watching my videos, because it's all about movement anyway. Everything's going up and down and moving around, and if something's fun and funky, and the fact that this blue in the stars comes off the blue in the top absolutely perfectly, just gives me permission to wear them together. So, what do we think? This is such a cool, relaxed, summery outfit. The tunic was 5 ringgit. It did have a little tear in the underlining, which I just stitched back together. It's a little tight on the boobies, but not horrendously so. And probably another month and it'll fit perfectly. And this crazy shirt. So this was 10 ringgit, so this is just under £2. This was 5 ringgit, so under £1. Trousers I bought in Australia. Arley Beach. I found this fabulous little shop. And I'd been travelling around the world, and I was really quite large at that point, and finding large size clothes, especially in Asia, had been really, really challenging. I got to Australia, and suddenly there were all these larger ladies, and there were boutiques selling clothes for larger ladies, and I just went mad. I bought a whole load of clothes because I just hadn't been able to. And I actually bought these trousers in this size and then in a size even bigger, which now are just ridiculous. But these are also a bit ridiculous now, but, you know, that's a good thing, not a bad thing. But, yes, Arley Beach, I went mad. I did. I bought so many clothes there just because it was the first time in months that I'd actually been able to. And when you're travelling around the world and you're washing and wearing and washing and wearing, everything wears out really quickly. So I was very relieved when I found that shop, and these trousers have been worn ever since. So that is 18 years I've been wearing these on and off occasionally. 18 years. But, you know, a pair of straight leg white trousers is what you know, they're not going to go out of fashion. They're just a staple. So let's move on to the second way to wear this. Okay, so now we've swapped out the fun and rather silly star shirt, and we put on the linen navy blue long jacket. Instantly it's going to be much more slimming, but it's obviously it's a darker colour, it's not so fun, but it's smart, it's smarter. Now I put on the jewellery that I recently made. I've worn it once before for a try on, and I did a jewellery update recently, and when I did the jewellery update I did say that I was contemplating putting dragonflies on the earrings to go with the dragonfly on the necklace, and I did it because that's the way I roll. So now I've got little tiny delicate little dragonflies dancing on the earrings as well as on the necklace. I'm rather enjoying this piece. I think with something these colours, it's absolutely spot on. So, navy linen jacket, sheer chiffon, I think probably this is chiffon top, enamel jewellery. I found this ring in Cirencester. I'll look it up, but yeah. Lovely shop in Cirencester. So, navy blue linen pants, perfect match with the jacket. Sheer tunic, nice and cool. All natural fibres. And I think quite smart. Added a hair scarf in just because it makes it a little bit different, and I like hair scarves. And my funky jewellery. So that's number 2. I was going to do it with a skirt, but I actually just think I don't really need to, because you can imagine exactly what this would look like with a navy blue linen skirt and the jacket. And I think this is what makes it quite fun, because this will make this an entirely trouser edition. For a woman that doesn't wear trousers, that's quite something. I think the last 10 kg has made me a little bit more comfortable in trousers, because there's nothing more uncomfortable than tight trousers. And I've got to the point now where I can wear trousers and they're not tight, they are loose, and I am much more comfortable in them than I was before. So it has made a difference to my psychology about trousers, because quite honestly, before they were so damn uncomfortable, I just never wanted to wear them. A shift happens. So, no further ado, let's get on to something a bit more funky. Okay, shift in colour here, bright cerise, but still with a navy blue t-shirt. But the trouser element, you will see in a moment that I found another pair of fabulous snappy pants. I'm wearing one of my slumped glass rings, a lovely pink one. I put just thrifted beads. I made matching earrings to go with the pink ones. I want this one to be wow, but not as wow as the second way I'm going to show it to you. So this is more like you could wear this. You could just go out on a daytime, go do your groceries, easy peasy, not too over the top. quite relaxed, although maybe the shoes, maybe not. Ta-da! Nappy pantage. Now, I want to show you the difference between these ones and the ones that I made into the top. So they're exactly the same style, not very much difference, but 6 inches. 6 inches of length. So these are really, really short ones, and these are really, really long ones. And I'm delighted because they literally come right the way down to my ankles. And I love all the colours in it. All my purple ladies will appreciate these. Such a beautiful blend of colours. So many, and so many patterns. Really, really yummy. Now, this is the first way. Very soft old jacket that I've had forever. I don't think these points are no longer fashionable, but I absolutely love them, so I'm still wearing mine. This was a 5 ringgit pair of nappy pants, so like 84 pence, 85 pence. You can't say no to that. Absolutely not. And in these beautiful colours. Stunning Blurpool, my favourite shade. Under £1. Old t-shirt I thrifted in England. I think it might even be Chew or one of the supermarket brands. It would look just as good out if you like to cover up, but I just think that this is quite a fun ruched top to the trousers, so I thought I'd show it off. Comfortable, light, airy, breezy. Nappy pants, nappy pants. And now, on to the next way. So we're back with the final outfit. This, I think I bought this on eBay, second hand, probably a good 20 years ago. Probably maybe more, maybe 24 years ago. And I've had it ever since. It's way too big now, but that doesn't matter. It's such a gorgeous colour, and I love this little touch of velvet on the collar. I think it's just magical, and this colour feeds me. It feeds me, Seymour. I put my hair back up with the longer, fuller hair scrunchie. And I put my t-shirt on back to front. Now this is a beautiful Blurpool. Periwinkle blue, maybe you might call it, or even hyacinth blue. It's cut work in sort of diamond shapes, but in like different patterns. And by putting it on backwards, it's given me like a waistcoat. Sorry, my ghost's slamming doors again. It's given me a waistcoat effect with this. The t-shirt is very long, but I've tucked it in. On Love Off is the name of the label, which is very obscure, so I'm guessing it's probably a Japanese one. But this is exactly the Blurpool that's in the trousers, or the nappy pants, so I think it works with it. I've put on my very over-the-top Art Nouveau styly bug jewellery with beautiful tassel earrings. So let's have a look at this with the pants. So as I said, the blue comes off the blue in the trousers, absolutely spot on. Little Blurpool. Gives it this cute little waistcoaty effect. Look, just as nice the right way around, but then it's very long, it comes right down and you're covering up the whole of the top of the pants. This colour, of course, comes off a lot of the colours in the trousers. Absolutely spot on as well. Just gives you that floaty sort of evening-y layer, so you can take your trousers out in the evening and still feel funky. One of my beetles is misbehaving and turning round. I'm going to have to sort him out. It does annoy me when my beetles don't behave. So I've just put on my ring from Taiwan. Taiwan, from the little market underneath the roadways. Absolutely love it. Citrines, amethysts, all very natural, very chunky, but it goes with this sort of vibe. I've put on my hand metallic sparkled shoes. I actually bought these shoes in Jakarta, I believe, because I have that thing where every time I go on holiday, I take my most comfortable shoes that I wear and I wear and I wear and I wear, and I go out on holiday and they all drop to bits. It happens every single time. So most of my shoes come from far-flung places. So these were Jakarta, but they were skin tone, dark skin tone. And I just found them so boring. And then my daughter started sparkling things with foils. And I thought, yeah, give us a go, give us a go. Showed me how to do it, and away we went. So we have sparkly shoes. We have the most exotic nappy pants ever. We have a top on backwards to give us a beautiful waistcoat in the colours that match up. And we have a sheer duster coat over the top just to give us a little bit of length and glamour. Our hair is up with a little bit of extra added in to give it a bit more body and a bit more length. And we feel glamorous. Handmade jewellery always makes me feel good because I make such over-the-top pieces that are designed by me, for me, and work with me. So they are a little bit of me. They're my outer exhibition. How to say it, but that's it really. I'm getting bolder. What can I say? I am getting, and I was fairly bold. So that's a bit scary, but hey, you know, why not? So that has been today. I think that's 4 very, very wearable outfits. Although this one might be too over the top for some people, but I know that some of you ladies are much more daring and bold than me and would outbold me any day of the week. You know who you are. But I'm a beginner, you know, I'm learning. Anyway, thank you very much. I really appreciate all your comments. I love it when you all send me messages. I enjoy answering them. I love hearing from you. Keep it up, ladies, because you know I think of you as my friends. And we all need friends in this world. We all need friends in this world, especially when you live in a country that's not necessarily your own and you don't have all your family around you and your, you know, it's nice. So, and there's a lot of us, a lot of people out in the world that haven't got their home base with them, that are just out living life. So thank you. Thank you very much. And if you haven't liked and subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? It's free. Just do it. I will see you next, well, hopefully on a Wednesday. If I don't see you on a Wednesday, I'll see you at the weekend. Until then, bye from the Crafty Nana. Have a good week.
It's a crafty Nana.